In this part, we are going to learn how to apply the custom CSS to our project. The project is very simple. We just create a div center at another div. But first we have to delete the CSS. We also have to delete the CSS file. And also not necessary, so we have to delete. Now we just go to return a div inside a div. Now we go to create a custom CSS file. And since this is not a CSS course, so we just paste the CSS here. And then we go back to the app.js and import single dot and slash is the same folder, so we choose the custom .css, and here we just have two classes. One is inner div and the other is outer div. To apply the CSS, we have to use the class, but here we are not going to use the class. Instead, we are going to use the class name. Now, as you can see, the green box is at the center of the red div. The reason that we are not going to use the class but use the class name is because the class is the reserved word for the JavaScript.